Just wanted to show you. I did use the liquid bleach, and this is all that's left of my hair up here. I feel almost as if it did more damage than the powder, and I used 20 developer. Now, I had more than half a bottle of 20, and I had about that much left of 40, so I just dumped it in there. I don't know if that was what made the difference, but I had a lot of black spots that I can't see when I'm in the bathroom, so I decided to lay a towel here at my vanity, put a full-length mirror behind me, and I had to have my face mirror in front of me that I got at Dollar Tree, just a regular mirror, and a handheld mirror to try to find all the black spots. I still missed one, and I knew that one was there, and I was looking for it and trying to get... Anyway, so this is all that's left of my hair on top, is this little bit right here. And then I used the Affinity. I couldn't find the leave-in cream, so I did the Curlrific Moisture Rich Leave-In Conditioner, and this is for curly hair, and it made my hair stiff. My hair is it looks so fried right now. That was frustrating. But anyway, hopefully the next time you see me, I bought from the Kiss Express. They had really like pastel, 3 colors in pastel. I mean, real. And I think your hair's supposed to be white when you put it in, but this is the best I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna put any more in, at least not now. So it's like a very a purple and a blue and a green, I believe, and that's what I'm gonna do next week. Let's see, because my hair is falling out. I feel like it's falling out. Maybe it was just the previously damaged hair, but that finally broke off. I don't know, but so I'm gonna do that, and if it doesn't really show too much, maybe I'll do the toner, because once the toner starts to fade, your hair looks white. And then because I always have, I know I'm gonna have enough for about at least two applications. So yeah, so I just really want to try that, and then after that I want to try the more intense colors. If they have like magenta, they have a cobalt blue. I think they have a mint green, and then they have a purple, and it's supposed to be like not neon, but like a more brighter. They're more like a more brighter color as opposed to the primary colors. So it's not going to be pastel, but it is going to be a bright. So after I finish my pastels, then I'm going to move on to that. But yeah, even with the mirrors all around me, I still missed a lot of spots. I tried really hard. I was trying to get it in there with because I have the comb. I finally started using a comb, and I just tried to really get it in between the hair so to reach the back, and it still really didn't get it that well. See, like there's still pink. See this pink? This came out of the blue. I think the blue was more, it said midnight blue, but it's more of an indigo, and it left that pink, and I went over that. That didn't work. Then the red, this is where I put the red. I went over that, still didn't come off. Let me see. So yeah, and then I have one like the teal spot. It's still there. I don't know if I saw it this morning, but I tried really hard to get those spots because I really wanted the pastel to show. Anyway,